Hello, in front of me I've got ZEEKER Dash Cam. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through menu. In the beginning, turn on your camera and press this button to go to menu. Here you can manage resolution, loop recording, display mode, record audio, G-sensor, data stamp, license, screensaver, key voice, speaker, boot sound, language, date and time, date format, default, version, or contact. As you can see, we don't have any Wi-Fi settings, so this camera does not have dedicated app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.